Friendship centers have served urban Indigenous peoples and communities across Canada for over 6 decades, creating culturally grounded spaces of belonging, support, advocacy, and relationship building. Friendship centers are founded upon principles of friendship, inclusion, cultural connection, and community engagement, and continue to strengthen relationships among Indigenous and non-Indigenous peoples. The late Nelson Mayer envisioned a Friendship Center initiative that would build bridges between people, cultures, and communities through friendship, respect, and relationship building. Inspired by his vision of bringing together the diverse peoples represented in the 4 colors of the medicine wheel, the Walk for Friendship was initiated by the Alberta Native Friendship Centers Association during his tenure as executive director. The Walk for Friendship encouraged friendship centers across the province to engage with community partners and celebrate unity by walking together in friendship, and following Nelson Mayer's transition to the spirit world, ANFCA continued to honor his vision by evolving the Walk for Friendship into the Day of Friendship in 2017. Celebrated on the first Friday of June, the Day of Friendship has continued to grow through unique community annual events that recognize Friendship Centers' contributions and strengthen awareness of the important role Friendship Centers play within the communities they serve. The Day of Friendship embodies the spirit of connection and collaboration that unites communities and fuels the Friendship Center movement. This special day honors the vibrant programs, cultural richness, and unwavering support Friendship Centers provide to urban Indigenous peoples. Together, we celebrate the power of friendship to inspire hope and create meaningful change. The Day of Friendship honors and celebrates the spirit of friendship that binds communities and the Friendship Center movement together, and recognizes the culturally rich and vibrant programs and services delivered by member Friendship Centers supporting urban Indigenous peoples.